Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening the DJI Fly app and selecting the Mini 4 Pro. This ensures spotlight features are available. Once done, verify firmware and app updates so behavior matches the guide, and calibrate compass/IMU to prevent drift. Make sure you have at least 6 satellites and set a safe return-to-home altitude before takeoff. Then, take off into a stable hover at a moderate height. This gets the aircraft ready for target selection and avoids sudden positional corrections when you engage Spotlight. Now engage Spotlight from intelligent modes and select the variant you need. Spotlight Pro gives active heading control while keeping the camera locked. You'll frame the subject with the center crosshair. Tap to lock or drag a box for larger targets, because precise framing improves tracking reliability. Then, use the right stick to set distance and yaw or pick an automated quick shot orbit if you want smooth circling. This controls relative motion, so the drone maintains composition while you focus on movement or other camera settings. To finish, start recording and refine gimbal pitch for the exact framing you want. Use ND filters and exposure compensation to avoid blown highlights in bright scenes. When you're done, exit Spotlight by tapping the on-screen exit or switching back to normal flight to regain full manual control. If Spotlight loses the subject, immediately relock the target and slow the aircraft, often the fix, or reposition for better contrast and lighting. These steps keep your footage usable and minimize sudden auto-corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.